Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Scientech Learning, and today I will try to make you understand to write a program to print or find the largest element in an array. So we have a notepad here, right? Program to print the largest element in an array. For example, if we are having an array int arr, it is the name of array is equal to new int 25 comma 11 comma 7 comma 75 comma 75 comma 56. So if we are having the array and the elements of array is 25, 11, 7, 75 and 56. So if we have need to find the largest element of array, then we are using the method, in which method we are going to initializing int max is equal to first element of array arr 0. After that we are using a for loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than length of array arr dot length, and I plus plus. After that we are going to compare the all elements of array with max. So we are using if statement. If arri is greater than max, then max is equal to arr of I. Max is equal to arr of I. Means that we are comparing. If I is equal to 0 means max have value 25 and its max store 25. After that it's going to increment I is equal to 1. If I is equal to 1, then 11 we going to compare 25 with 11. Then 25 is greater than 11. Then no changes made. It's get continue until the array elements is end. So let's try into Eclipse and run the code. So here we have a package com.practice. Here we are taking new class and class name largest, and the class name is also in capital letter. Largest element, and the type of class is public, and we are taking a main method public static void main. Now we are going to initializing array int arr is equal to new int and the elements of array 25 11 7 75 56. Now we are going to initialize max with first element of array. So int max is equal to arr 0. After that we are taking a loop through the array. So for int I is equal to 0, I is less than length of array arr dot length I plus plus. After that we are going to compare the element of array with max. So we are using if statement. If arr of I is greater than max, max is equal to arr I. After that we are taking a print statement system.out.println largest element present in given array. After that we are taking another print statement system.out.println max. So in this given array max will hold initially the value 25. In the first iteration max will be compared with 11. Since 11 is less than max, max will retain its value. In the next iteration max will compared to 7. 7 is also less than to max. Now max will be compared to 75. 75 is greater than max, so that max will hold the value of 75. Let's continue this process until the end of array is reached. At the end of loop, max will hold the largest element in the array. So now we are try to run my code and see the output. So run as Java application, and you can see the output of my code. Largest element present in given array is 75, and my element of array is 25, 11, 7, 75 and 56. If we are changing the element like 125 and again compile the code, run as Java application, and see the output 125. Largest element present in given array is 125. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. If you are learning something my video, then also share with your friend and family and subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries related this session, also ping me on comment. Thank you guys.